smoothie recipes that can help support belly fat loss when combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise. First, green detox smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup spinach, 1/2 cucumber, 1 green apple, 1/2 lemon juice, 1 cup water or coconut water, 1/2 teaspoon grated ginger. Benefits: high in fiber, hydration, and antioxidants, which aid digestion and metabolism. Second, berry blast smoothie. Ingredients: 1/2 cup mixed berries, blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, 1/2 banana, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 teaspoon honey, optional. Benefits: packed with antioxidants and low in calories, helping reduce inflammation and support weight loss. Third, tropical fat-burning smoothie. Ingredients: 1/2 cup pineapple chunks, 1/2 cup mango chunks, 1/2 banana, 1 cup coconut water, 1 tablespoon flax seeds. Benefits: bromelain in pineapple aids digestion, and flax seeds provide healthy fats to keep you full. Fourth, spicy metabolism booster smoothie. Ingredients: 1/2 grapefruit, peeled, 1/2 orange, peeled, 1/2 cup carrot juice, 1/2 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, 1/2 cup water. Benefits: bromelain in pineapple aids digestion, and flax seeds provide healthy fats to keep you full. Fifth, protein-packed green smoothie. Ingredients: 1 scoop protein powder, unsweetened or plant-based, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1/2 avocado, 1/2 cup spinach, 1 tablespoon almond butter. Benefits: combines protein and healthy fats to keep you full and energized while supporting muscle growth and fat loss. Tips for best results. Avoid adding sugar or sweetened juices. Use natural ingredients and unsweetened milk alternatives. Pair smoothies with a healthy diet and regular physical activity. Don't forget like, subscribe, share. Thanks for watching.